Good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to you all to today's hackathon on Code Ready. First of all, I welcome the dignitaries on the dais, our esteemed advisor, sir, Dr. Kanu Charan Swain, respected principal, sir, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Das, MCA HOD, Dr. Iswar Reddy, sir, and we are extremely delighted to have with us Dr. Manas Ranjan Patra, former professor, Computer Science, Berhampur University. Currently, he is associated with Nest University, Berhampur as a professor. I heartily welcome Mr. Pritam Kumar Behra, ex-data scientist, TCS, founder of Tetra Technology and SKILLOTECH. We welcome you all to the Hackathon 2025 today. Now, I would like to request our dear students to felicitate our guest with bouquets, please. I request our dear students to come forward for the needful. Thank you, everyone. A code-ready hackathon really refers to a coding competition or event focused on developing innovative solutions using code. These events often involve teams collaboration to build projects within a set time frame with judging based on various criteria like creativity, functionality, and impact. Hackathon with a focus on specific themes and technologies. This hackathon is organized in association with SKILLOTECH. SKILLOTECH goes beyond and brings transformation by providing industry mentors, project-based learning and campus plus, incentive and delivery, fractional TNP partner with structured curriculum. Now, I would request our principal, sir, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Das, to share a few words about this occasion, please. Please, sir.
Very good morning to one and all present here. Honorable Chief Guest Manas Kumar Patra, former Professor, Berhampur University, esteemed academic advisor, sir, Professor Kanu Charan Swain, Mr. Pritam from TCS, my dear faculty members and students. Today, USBM is organizing a hackathon in association with SKILLOTECH. It's a very good event for all the students because the hackathon will give you enormous benefits like skill development, which includes technical skill as well as soft skill also. Number 2, team collaboration. When you are working with a team, it will boost your energy to get the success or to fulfill the goal. Number 3, real world problem solving. So there are lots of benefits. So thank you for organizing a hackathon. I would like to thank MCA department, HOD, all the faculty members. And I would also thank to Manas sir for keeping our invitation to grace the occasion. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the inspiring words. Now, I would like to request MCA HOD, Dr. Iswar Reddy, sir, to grace this occasion. Please, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Respected guest and academic advisor, sir, and principal, sir, and Pritam, sir, and my dear faculty members. Today, we are organizing a code-ready hackathon. So all the best, all the students to participate in this hackathon. I would like to say that today is your start for your journey for your coding test. So all the best, all the student for your this coding test. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Professor Manas Ranjan Patra holds a PhD in Computer Science from the Central University of Hyderabad. He was the professor and head in the Department of Computer Science, Barampur University. Currently, he is also the Dean of Science and Technology, Director of IQAC, and holds many other additional assignments and responsibilities in the university. He has been teaching computer science for the last 35 years. He was a United Nations Fellow at the International Institute of Software Technology, United Nations University. His research interests include artificial intelligence and machine learning, cloud computing and data mining. He has successfully guided 20 PhD students and more than 100 master theses. To his credit, he has 200 plus research publications in reputed journals and conferences. He has extensively traveled to many countries in USA, Europe, Australia, Africa, and Southeast Asia for presenting research papers, chairing technical sessions, and delivering invited talks, and for participating in panel discussions. He has been a member of editorial boards and program committees of many international journals and conferences. He is a member of Association for Computing, Machinery, and life member of Computer Society of India and Indian Society for Technical Education. Now, with an open heart and open arms, I would like to invite Professor Manas Ranjan Patra sir to come up and grace the occasion and share his valuable words with the students, please. Thank you, sir.
A very good morning to all of you. Good morning. Yeah, that's a very good start. Esteemed principal, the HOD of the department, other responsible persons, the advisors, the faculty members, and students present here for a very exciting event. I just heard for the first time USBM is organizing the hackathon. Is that right? Yeah. So I'm sure that this is also quite new for you. I'm sure that you have come with a lot of open mind to see what's going to happen in the coming 2 or 3 days, depending on what Pritam has planned for all of you. You have a very young trainer who will be associating with you for another 72 hours or so, and probably you have a wonderful time of learning from each other. I was just remembering, Ratan Tata once said, if you want to walk fast, you can walk alone. But if you want to walk longer, you have to walk along with other people, with your team. So therefore, I think hackathon is such an event where you don't try to solve a problem yourself, but you try to solve problems with others. You put your mind together and try to understand what is the problem and come up with something. Now just going back, because this is your first event that you are attending the hackathon, have you tried to find out what is the meaning of hackathon? Hackathon. Can you just any guesses? It just be very fast. Because see, you have to solve a very complicated problem in coming 3 days. You have to be very quick. Any of you have? Please go ahead. Yeah. Okay, that's what is hackathon. But about that particular word, hackathon. Solve a new problem. Okay, please. Yeah. So hackathon actually is a combination of 2 words. Hack and marathon. I'm sure that you know both the words. Hack normally we use in a negative sense. Sometimes you say my mobile has been hacked, my laptop has been hacked, and so on. So because that represent a kind of a malicious activity, who is trying to create problem with your machine. But that's also creative, you know. That's also creative. Because unless somebody understands how the technology works, he will not be able to hack into your system. So there is some kind of creativity that guy, that malicious person, that hacker has really trying to get into your system. And marathon, I think all of you know. Marathon is not 100-meter race, right? It's not that you run for 3 minutes or 4 minutes, you are a winner. Marathon is something that you run for a longer time. You have to go through a lot of hurdles, a lot of things that you have to really maneuver, and then you try to reach the target. So I think these are the 2 words, hack and marathon, the last 3 letters from marathon, that makes up the word hackathon. So that's how I think today, this particular event is designed in such a way that you will be given some problems which you have to solve together. See, maybe you are very good programmers as an individual, but when you join a company, you are not supposed to work alone. You have to work as a team. And many times people will observe you, though they will not tell you, but they will observe you, how is your group performance, how you are performing as a team. Because you are trying to, you need to deliver to your company, you have to deliver to your client a particular product within a very short period of time. So therefore, you have to really give your mind, soul, heart together to that particular point, working with others and trying to find a solution for a particular problem. Now, I'm sure that the problem that will be given to you will not be something like write a program for a quick sort or implement a linked list or implement some scheduling algorithms. I'm sure the problems will not be like that. Because those are the problems which are given in the books. We solve that in the labs. But here the problem is a real life problem. Maybe this is for the first time you encounter a problem. So that gives an opportunity to sort of ignite your innovation, your creativity. Right? So therefore the other meaning of hack, I told you the negative meaning, even if there is a creativity there, but the other meaning of hack is creative problem solving. So that is where you are expected to show your creativity, your innovative ideas. Not only that, you have to do it very fast because you are given only 48 hours or 72 hours. I'm sure that you will enjoy the coming 48 hours or 72 hours, whatever it has been planned. You have to really think when you are taking your lunch, when you are sipping a glass of water, or even the night, because I'm sure that is going to continue for at least 2 days, and you are trying to find a solution for a particular problem. So I'm sure you will enjoy the first event happening here in this particular campus. So I mean, people will remember you, and you will also have some satisfaction that you participated in the hackathon event which happened in USBM for the first time. So happy programming, happy coding, enjoy the coming few days and try to learn from each other, which is very important for all of you. Now if some of you are already using ChatGPT to write a program for you, today is the real test. Now you cannot have access to ChatGPT, but you have to solve the real problem. But of course when you go to a company, you see many of the companies now they will not allow you internet access. So there you don't have the opportunity to access ChatGPT. So you have to work on a VPN, which is disconnect from any other things. So only those software which are required for your software, those things are only available. So that is where you have to solve the problem of your real. So today is the real test. If you are still using ChatGPT to write your code, I mean you will be really caught, right? So don't be afraid. I mean, thing is, it's something like it's a playground, right? So where you have to play. Right? Take this problem as if you are solving a problem. Like I'm sure that all of you are enjoying cricket match or football match. How the players they come out with a strategy to defeat, to play around to overplay the opponent. So you can build strategies, and as a team you play in this playground and just enjoy. So all of you should enjoy this particular event instead of having a lot of thoughts how we will do that. It's a competition. Maybe there are some prizes for first, second, third, and fourth, it's fine. But more than that is the experience that you get. So you value the experience, not the end of the journey. You know? Somebody said that if you are going to a particular place, don't wait for the destination. You enjoy the journey. Anyway, you will reach your destination. But the learning that you get throughout the entire process, that you will cherish for a very long time. So I'm sure you will enjoy the first event happening here, enjoy coding, enjoy solving problems, and I'm sure that at the end of the day, we'll have the satisfaction. Yes, I was one of those participants in that particular event. So all the best. Have a great time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the inspiring and valuable words. I think all the students will definitely inculcate all those things in their real life, and they will also get some real life scenario for getting the implementation for today's Hackathon 2025. Now, I would like to request Mr. Pritam Kumar Behra sir to address this occasion and share his valuable thoughts. Please, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Jai Jagannath. Okay, so first of all, what exactly is I told about hackathon, hack and marathon. So I will address hack particularly. How do you think about hack? So basically, in negative way, we have hack. We have hackers, 3 different hackers I have told you before, white hat, grey hat, then say again, what is red hat? Have you heard about it? Okay. So you are not red hat hackers, you may be white hat hackers or grey hat hackers, okay? So basically you will going to contribute to the different organizations to which you are going to join, and there we will mostly face different kind of problems each day. Okay, so there will be different projects. In any kind of projects you will be put it in, and the project manager will tell you like this is the requirement document from the client, and we are going to solve this, and we are going to develop this within that particular time frame. And you will be allocated to one team, and TL will alert you entire 8 tasks or 10 tasks a day. So how do you think like you will complete those 8 tasks or 10 tasks or 15 tasks in a day, and you have to allot your time properly with your team to solve that. So that the thing which you will learn here by doing your hackathon. So it's a basically problem solving way to find different way with a team to collaborate and to solve the problem which was given to you. And the main thing, it shows the creativity, like how exactly we are thinking, because as a human being our thought process is totally different from each other, and it shows you like how exactly you are thinking, how you are basically cooperating to your team member, and as a team how you are getting a problem to be completely solved. And I will expect your complete participation today, and this is the initiation of hackathon journey, and we will have the second hackathon in August. So this is the initial journey for C programming, because maximum people you know C. Then we will enter into the different kind of hackathons, how exactly in different way the entire IT world organizes the hackathon. And I will expect that you will not fear of the problem, you will accept the problem and you will solve it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the inspiring words. Now, thank you everyone, all the dignitaries on the dais for gracing this occasion and making this event and organizing and also letting all the students know about the importance of today's hackathon. So thank you so much for gracing the occasion. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Mr. Pritam Kumar Behra, sir, to coordinate the students about this occasion today. Please, sir. Thank you.